Once upon a time, in a magical forest filled with colorful flowers and friendly animals, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had a bushy tail and loved to explore his surroundings. One sunny morning, Sammy woke up early and decided to embark on an adventure. He wanted to find the biggest acorn in the entire forest. With excitement in his heart, Sammy scurried along the forest floor, hopping from one tree to another. As Sammy journeyed deeper into the forest, he encountered many of his woodland friends. He met Benny the bunny, who hopped alongside him, and Bella the bird, who flew above him, guiding him through the trees. As they ventured farther, Sammy noticed an old oak tree standing tall and proud in the distance. He had heard stories from his grandparents about a magical acorn hidden in that tree. Determined to find it, Sammy gathered all his courage and climbed up the oak tree. Up in the branches, Sammy discovered a hidden hollow where the magical acorn was rumored to be. He carefully searched every nook and cranny until he spotted a sparkling acorn nestled among the leaves. It shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. Sammy's heart leaped with joy. He had found the legendary acorn. He carefully picked it up and held it in his tiny paws. As he did, a magical glow surrounded him. Suddenly he felt a surge of energy and a warm, tingly sensation. The magical acorn had granted Sammy a special gift, the ability to speak with all the animals in the forest. Overwhelmed with excitement, Sammy couldn't wait to share the news with his friends. He scurried down the tree and rushed back to where Benny and Bella were waiting. As he approached them, Sammy noticed that they were chatting away. To his amazement, he understood every word they were saying. He couldn't contain his excitement and blurted out, "I found the magical acorn, and now I can talk to all of you." Benny and Bella were astonished, but delighted by the news. They were overjoyed to have Sammy join in their conversations. From that day forward, Sammy, Benny, and Bella became the best of friends, exploring the forest together and sharing many more adventures. And so, Sammy the squirrel, with his newfound gift, brought together all the animals in the forest, creating a bond of friendship that would last forever. The end.